Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, I agree with the General Mkhwanazi with everything he said in this video. But there's something in this video where I disagree with him. Okay guys, let's listen to the video first, then we'll discuss it after.
He says he knows that there are illegal white immigrants in this country, and he has done nothing about it.
What we've been observing happening, we decided as management we're going to have a meeting with the leadership of these people that are doing this March on March. For one reason, just to remind them about the rights of others. Because they cannot just go and threaten foreign nationals in the country, not knowing whether they are documented or not, number one. And number two, they don't have a responsibility as citizens to go and check whether are people documented, because they don't have skills to know whether the paper that the person is holding is legit or not.
In this point, I agree with him, but at the same time, I disagree with him, because the reason why people decided to stand up and fight for themselves, our government is not doing anything about what is happening in this country. Of course, he's telling the truth, but he knows the reason why people decided to stand up for themselves.
So we encourage them to monitor, observe where they get information, share that with us, and be able to tell us that we are aware that in that particular area, there are undocumented people. Please go and check. So we go and check that. If it's confirmed, then we'll be able to deport them.
Even in this point, he's still telling the truth. But the question is, if we go and tell police, do they do the job? Bayawenza yini umsebenzi? Because him as a commissioner, he's not there when these police are ganging up with illegal foreigners, when they are taking bribes from illegal foreigners. We've seen a lot of things here in KZN. We've seen police defending illegal foreigners in public, in front of the cameras. So that is why I say I agree with him. He is telling the truth, but there are some reasons of whatever that is happening in this country. Kunezathu zakho konke ukuthi kungani abantu beyithathela umthetho esandleni and kungani abantu bengasawathemba amaphoyisa. General is aware, he knows everything. Ukuthi kungani abantu sebegcine sebenza lezi zinto abazenzayo manje. We are not trusting police. Even if you know umuntu or unalive someone, it's very difficult to go and report to the police, because same police will betray you. Go to that person, tell him you are the one who reported him. So it's really angazi guys, angazi, or maybe it's me, but nje kunezinto engingayi understand ezenzekayo eSouth Africa. And General uyena obecomplain a few months ago ethi we arrest these people, we hand them over to Home Affairs ukuthi abadeport, but sibona same people bakhona futhi la. He complained about this same issue ku-Ukhozi FM. He even told them ukuthi sometimes anosilandela as media niyobona ukuthi laba bantu if sebeyodeportwa baphelelaphi. That's what the general said. But manje he's telling us ukuthi we must call them as police to come and arrest these people, then they will deport them. Then what will happen to our porous borders that he complained about few months ago? Will they be closed then? Okay, let's continue.
Otherwise, if you just go on a spree like they're doing and trying to intimidate people, the sad thing is going to happen one day is that someone's going to get hurt. And because you're going to come across someone who looks like me, and you're going to assume that he's a foreign national, not knowing that he's a South African. We've got brothers and sisters in this province, in this country, that look similar to the other brothers and sisters from other foreign countries. So you cannot just by the look of the face of a person and you assume that this is a foreigner. It might not be. That is one. And secondly, what becomes even more disturbing is that their march seems to target those that mostly are from the African origin. And they are not necessarily directing their anger towards other foreign nationals that are in the country. We've got the whole world here. But we don't see it on TV that there is this kind of march towards other nationals.
That's my biggest problem with what General is saying. Telling us about targeting Black Africans, not going after other races like Chinese and white people. The same thing Malema has been telling us. I don't want to say I'm disappointed because I don't know what is in his mind. Really, I don't want to say that. But I'm still trying to digest and to think. Okay, let's continue, guys.
Bantu base South Africa, let us stop defending leaders. Let us defend the country. So, what kind of a leader would go against his own people, his own brothers and sisters, just to impress the neighboring countries? He says he knows that there are illegal white immigrants in this country, and he has done nothing about it. Now that abantu bakithi bayasukuma bathi thina emalokishini la sihlala khona, because thina sihlali phela esandithini la kuhlala khona ama-white illegal immigrants, sihlala emalokishini, sihlala emjondolo thina. We are talking about our situations emjondolo, and then the leader counter-attacks that.
Into elula ukuvela kosopolitiki begxeka isenzo esenziwa amalungu omphakathi abantu abanjengongizwe nophakela umthakathi oJacinta, kulula ukugxeka labo. Kulula ukuvela kapresident athi noma ubani ozoqala uthuthuva la noma xenophobia ozobhekisa inzondo kubantu bokufika uzobhekana nengalomthetho. Kodwa ukuthi kuziwe namasu ngoba ekugcineni kosuku labantu bahlala nathi emalokishini, labantu bahlala nathi emakhaya. Uma kunezenzo zobugebengu bazenza kithi. So ama-politicians kanye nalabo abasuke bephethe zonke lezi zinto ezikhalisa abantu laba abagcina be-organizer ukuthi asibe nomkhankaso kulwa nalabantu, aziba-affect bona labantu. Ababi nenkinga yokufika emakliniki kuthiwa imithi iphelile ngoba banama-medical aid, bahamba ama-private hospitals. Abakaze baba nenkinga yokuntshontshelwa, abayazi leyo nkinga. Yingakho kululu ukukhuluma nje ugxeke, kanti kufanele kuziwe namaso ukuthi lento inganqandeka kanjani ngoba abantu base-South Africa basangene kodwa ba-frustrated. Abantu base-South Africa abasangene kodwa sekufike la abacasuka khona ngenxa yokunganaki kahulumeni wethu nabo laba abaphethe. Ngoba yonke lento eyenzekayo yenzeka ngoba uhulumeni wethu akababekile abantu base-South Africa phambili. Yona nto endala yonke nje lenkinga. Uhulumeni wethu uma engabeka abantu base-South Africa phambili babe yi-priority kuye, yonke into ingalunga.
Mina, I was asking a family member one day ukuthi yini eyenza ukuthi ama-flats ePoint, why are those flats hijacked by foreigners, illegal foreigners? Why is our local government quiet about it? They know. People like Jacinta kudala eyisho lento and even begging them, pleading with them ukuthi we can lead you and show you where these people are selling powder. We can lead you and show you inside these hijacked buildings, brothels inside, where they are kidnapping and keeping small girls there. Ukuthi bathengise imizimba bethengisele ukwenza imali ezothathwa yiwona ama-foreign. Bethi we know all the buildings that are hijacked ePoint and all over Durban. But until today, those illegal foreigners are still there occupying those hijacked flats, chasing away South Africans. Remember that South Africans, those who were affected by floods at Durban, were taken to some of those flats there. And foreigners are chasing them away. Our government, our local government is aware of that. Foreigners are abusing them there. But anyways, guys, let's cut it here. Let me not say more than this. So let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you so much, guys. Bye.